Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 6th chapter of Indian economic development, and today we are going to just discuss sustainable development, organic farming, and what are the evolution of rural development chapter. So, starting with sustainable development. In recent years, there is a considerable rise in the awareness of the harmful effect of chemical-based fertilizers and pesticides. Conventional agriculture relies heavily on chemical fertilizers and toxic pesticides, which enter the food supply, penetrate the water sources, harm the livestock, deplete the soil, and dewaste natural ecosystem. So efforts has been made to evolve technologies which are eco-friendly and are essential for sustainable development. And one of such eco-friendly technology is popularly known as organic farming. Now, what is organic farming? Organic farming is the form of agriculture that relies on techniques such as crop rotation, green revolution, green manure, compost, and biological pest control. These methods avoid the use of synthetical chemical fertilizers and genetically modified organisms. Organic farming is the process of producing safe and healthy food without leaving any adverse impact on the environment. In short, organic farming is a whole system of farming that restores and maintain and enhance the ecological balance of the environment. Now, what are the benefits of organic farming? It is economical way of farming, generates income through export, provides healthy food, source of employment, safety of environment. Now, what are the challenges which organic farming is facing today? It is less popular, lack of infrastructure and marketing facilities, low yield, shorter food life, limited choice of crop. In spite of all these limitations, organic farming helps in sustainable development of agriculture, and India has a clear advantage in producing organic products for both domestic and international market. Now, last topic for today's lecture is evolution of rural development. The rural sector will continue to remain backward until and unless some spectacular changes occurs. Some of the changes which need to be taken for development of rural sector are outlined below. Stress on diversification. There is a need to make rural areas more vibrant, enough diversification into dairy, poultry, fishery, vegetable and fruits. Second, rural and urban linkage. Efforts should be made to link up the rural production center with urban and foreign export market to realize higher returns on the investment for the products. Then come better facilities. Proper efforts should be made to develop infrastructure elements like credit and marketing, state agricultural departments, farmer-friendly agriculture policies, constant appraisal and dialogue between farmer group. The aim is to achieve full potential of the rural sector. Now the last is more emphasis on sustainable development. There is a need to invent or procure alternate set of eco-friendly technology that yields less to the system. Now once again, what are the challenges which organic farming is facing? This system is less popular and there is lack of infrastructure and marketing facilities. Organic farming faces problems of inadequate infrastructure and marketing facilities. Low yield. Organic farming has a lesser yield in the initial year as compared to the modern agriculture farming. As a result, small and marginal farmers find difficult to adapt a large scale production. Shorter food life. Organic produce has a shorter shelf life as compared to the spread produced one. Limited choice of crops. The choice in production of off-season crops is quite limited in organic farming or eco-friendly farming. In spite of all these limitations, organic farming helps in sustainable development of agriculture, and India has a clear advantage in producing organic product for both domestic and as well as international market. So students, in this chapter we have discussed rural development, process of rural development, rural credit, non-institutional, problem faced in rural banking, agricultural marketing, measures to improve agricultural marketing, reasons for diversification, benefits of diversification, organic farming, sustainable development, and last is the evolution. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.